What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and yeah, we still in the crib, of course, but we taking the first look at the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Nike Air Max 270. Say that 3 times fast. Let's say less all is talking, yo. Let's get straight to these shoes. At this point, we know the history of Travis Scott and how his spot is cemented when it comes to sneaker hype. Even though he's collaborated on a few obscure silhouettes, the Jordan 33, or even the first being the Jordan Trunner, he does not miss when it comes to his collab with Nike again and the Nike Air Max 270 Cactus Jack. So the original 270 was seen back in February of 2018. We've seen several iterations of the 270. We've even already seen some remixes combining the 270 with also Nike's new technology, the React, bringing you the Air Max 270 React. But another remix provided by Travis Scott, probably going to be an instant classic right here with the 270. One of the commonalities between Travis Scott collaborations has been earth tones. So I read before that Travis's inspiration for a few of the silhouettes comes from his time spent outside. And of course, outside, you'll see a plethora of earth tones. So we've seen that in the Jordan 1, Jordan 4, we've seen other few Travis Scott releases, even the Air Force 1. And that falls right in line with the 270. So right off the bat, you see the colorway. You'll see the brown in the toe area. It's like a nubuck suede material. We have that small white swoosh there. We'll also see the waves or the wavy lines that run throughout this entire upper. It's like a plastic overlay that you'll see. And the underlay of that is mesh. So you see the mesh underlay under the plastic. As we get to the outer panel, you'll see that orange swoosh. And it is an overlay of a felt-like material, very soft to the touch. We're going to transition to the back pull tab, which reads, of course, Cactus Jack, and we already know Cactus Jack and that whole scenario, of course. We're going to switch around to the tongue and the laces. Features the light blue laces there. Also features the purple and blue lace lock, which is the overlay of the 270 logo. We have the hang tag here that reads disclaimer. In the left insole, we have, of course, the Cactus Jack smiley face. And as we get to the midsole, so the midsole, of course, features the Air Max unit right there in the heel area. But of course, it's like a distressed kind of feel in that midsole area. This reminds me a lot of the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1. So shouts out to my man Nigel. You'll see the design hues and the similarities in his Jordan 1. And of course, this Cactus Jack 270 right there. So the only difference between the right foot and the left foot is the insole. The insole on the right foot reads the Cactus Jack, while the insole on the left foot, of course, has the smiley face that I just mentioned. And this, among sneaker consumers, I feel like is going to be an instant classic, just in regards to aesthetics, comfortability. You combine hype with simple, and you have the Cactus Jack Air Max 270 that will be available at Stadium Goods. And yes, the store is still closed, but we are online, up and running. So make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with sneakers, apparel, and accessories. And speaking of apparel, we've got some new SG merch coming for you guys real soon, so stay tuned. And last but not least, if you want to keep up with all things we have going on during this COVID corona quarantine crisis, make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK. This is Cactus Jack. Salute.